Have you ever found yourself navigating a labyrinth of cloud services, microservices, and dependencies? Wondering if there's a way to truly understand what's happening beneath the surface? Or perhaps you're an IT leader tasked with accelerating digital transformation, but feel bogged down by fragmented tools and endless firefighting. Well, welcome to our comprehensive exploration of Dynatrace for IT leaders. In this end-to-end edition, we're going to break down how this powerful platform serves as the foundational blueprint for understanding and mastering your entire technology stack. At its core, Dynatrace isn't just another monitoring tool. It's a unified observability and security platform, purpose-built to tame the complexity of modern cloud environments. It's developed by Dynatrace, Inc., and its true power lies in its AI-driven capabilities to provide proactive insights across your applications, infrastructure, and user experiences. You might be thinking, how does it actually do that? Unlike traditional monitoring solutions that stitch together disparate data, Dynatrace leverages a unique approach centered around its AI engine, Davis. It automatically discovers and maps your entire topology, from user click to code execution. Picture a moment where a critical application slowdown hits right before a major product launch. Instead of your team spending hours correlating logs, metrics, and traces manually, Dynatrace's causal AI pinpoints the exact root cause in seconds, even suggesting remediations. This isn't just data collection. It's about getting precise answers that drive action, ensuring comprehensive application performance monitoring, and full-stack visibility, making it a pivotal player in enterprise application security as well. For IT leaders, this translates directly into significant strategic value. Dynatrace elevates your tech strategy by providing the continuous intelligence needed to accelerate digital transformation, ensure superior customer experiences, and make data-driven decisions. It's about moving beyond reactive problem-solving to proactive optimization, reducing operational costs, and securing your digital assets without compromise. It's about leveraging advanced observability to gain a competitive edge and ensure your innovation efforts translate into tangible business outcomes. Next, we'll dive into why Dynatrace is truly essential for IT leaders, exploring its strategic impact and competitive landscape in detail. In the previous scene, we laid out the core concepts of Dynatrace. Now, let's zoom out and ask, why is Dynatrace not just another tool, but a strategic imperative for today's IT leaders? The reality of modern IT is fragmented complexity, siloed monitoring solutions, a patchwork of data sources, and reactive firefighting. These are common narratives. Dynatrace disrupts this by offering a truly unified observability platform, providing an end-to-end view that is crucial. Just as a foundational blueprint meticulously defines every pipe, wire, and structural component of a building, Dynatrace provides that holistic, living blueprint for your entire digital ecosystem. You might be thinking, how does Dynatrace truly differentiate itself from the competitive landscape, or from other tools like Datadog or an OpenTelemetry stack? It boils down to its unique approach to AI-driven insights and automation. Dynatrace isn't just collecting data. It's intelligently correlating billions of dependencies in real time, pinpointing root causes automatically. I've seen teams slash their mean time to resolution by 50% or more, freeing up valuable engineering hours that were previously lost to manual triage. This translates directly into better service quality, reduced operational risk, and significantly enhanced customer experience, impacting your velocity and ultimately your bottom line. This isn't merely about monitoring. It's about enabling a proactive stance for your entire organization. Dynatrace transforms raw data into actionable intelligence, empowering IT leaders to make data-driven decisions that propel digital transformation initiatives forward. It's about future-proofing your investment, ensuring your technology strategy isn't just keeping pace, but leading the charge. By providing unparalleled visibility and automation, Dynatrace allows you to shift focus from operational overhead to strategic innovation and growth. We've explored why Dynatrace is essential for IT leaders, building a strategic case. But let's get down to the brass tacks. What specific, critical challenges does it actually solve? Think about the sprawling, dynamic nature of modern cloud environments, the sheer complexity, the sheer volume of fragmented data streams. It's like trying to navigate a city without a foundational blueprint, where every building moves every hour. This lack of unified observability is a massive pain point. You're drowning in alerts, struggling to correlate metrics, logs, and traces from disparate tools. Dynatrace steps in here with its one-agent and AI to automatically discover, map, and monitor every single component, giving you that unified view, that essential blueprint. Beyond complexity, another major headache is slow innovation and, critically, a degrading user experience. When performance issues arise, the traditional blame game starts. Is it the network? The database? The new microservice? Manually sifting through mountains of data to find the root cause eats up countless hours, elongating mean time to resolution, or MTTR. I've seen teams spend days, even weeks, on a single incident, halting new feature development and frustrating customers. You might be thinking, how do we pinpoint issues instantly? Dynatrace tackles this head-on with automated, AI-driven root cause analysis. It doesn't just show you there's a problem, it tells you precisely what the problem is, where it is, and why it happened, often before users even notice. This leads directly to the third challenge: resource waste and operational inefficiency. Without a clear picture of application performance and infrastructure utilization, IT leaders often resort to over-provisioning resources just to be safe. This translates into unnecessary cloud spend and wasted budget. Reactive scaling based on alerts rather than predictive insights is another culprit, leading to performance bottlenecks or idle capacity. Dynatrace provides intelligent, AI-driven recommendations for right-sizing your infrastructure. For example, it can identify specific services that are consistently over-provisioned by 20% and recommend adjustments, targeting a specific reduction of cloud infrastructure costs by measurable 15% within achievable 6 months, relevant to budget optimization, and time-bound by the next half. This moves you from reactive cost control to proactive, intelligent optimization. Finally, a critical, often overlooked challenge is navigating security vulnerabilities and compliance gaps in a cloud-native world. Traditional security tools often have blind spots, especially with ephemeral containers and serverless functions. Manual compliance checks are time-consuming and prone to human error, turning audits into nightmares. Dynatrace integrates runtime vulnerability detection directly into your observability platform, continuously assessing your attack surface and identifying risks in real time. It provides deep insights into your overall security posture and helps automate compliance reporting, giving you confidence that your digital services are not just performing well, but are also secure and compliant. This comprehensive approach strengthens your entire digital transformation journey. We've just explored the critical challenges IT leaders face, from untamed complexity to security gaps. Now let's shift our focus to the engine room, the underlying technologies and methodologies that Dynatrace leverages and enhances, transforming it into more than just a monitoring tool. Think of your entire IT estate, from cloud to code, as a vast, intricate machine. Dynatrace acts as the core operating system, orchestrating visibility across this complex landscape. It deeply integrates with your existing foundational blueprint, the very infrastructure you've built your digital transformation upon. This means understanding and connecting with cloud-native stacks like Kubernetes and serverless functions, seamlessly ingesting data from OpenTelemetry standards, and leveraging its unique one-agent for automated, full-stack observation. It's not about replacing, but connecting and illuminating everything you already have, turning raw data into an intelligent, actionable narrative. This coherence is what IT leaders often find missing in fragmented toolsets. But it's not just about technology, it's about how we work. Dynatrace acts as a force multiplier for modern methodologies like Agile, DevOps, and Site Reliability Engineering, or SRE. You might be thinking, our teams already do DevOps. How does Dynatrace make a difference? Well, it enables a true shift left in observability, embedding performance and security insights directly into development cycles, not just at deployment. This fosters continuous feedback loops that are data-rich and highly accurate. I've seen teams transform their incident response times, moving from hours to minutes, simply because Dynatrace automates the causal analysis, pinpointing the exact root cause in seconds, turning reactive firefighting into proactive prevention. It elevates these methodologies from good intentions to measurable operational excellence. Beyond just performance, Dynatrace's support extends to broader strategic integrations, solidifying its place in your overall IT strategy. This isn't just about application and infrastructure performance anymore. We're talking about deep integrations with ITSM platforms, like ServiceNow, automating incident creation and streamlining workflows. It feeds into AIOps platforms, enriching their intelligence with real-time, high-fidelity data. And, crucially, it aids in maintaining security and compliance, giving leaders the confidence that their systems aren't just performing, but are also secure and auditable. These integrations push Dynatrace beyond a mere observability platform, evolving it into a true enabler of digital transformation, helping you see the bigger picture. So now that we understand the technological and methodological underpinnings, how do we strategically maximize its success? After exploring Dynatrace's supporting technologies and methodologies, the crucial question for any IT leader becomes, how do we actually maximize its success within our organization? It's not just about installing software, it's about strategic adoption. Our first strategy focuses on cultivating a data-driven culture. For Dynatrace to truly flourish, it needs more than just a technical rollout. It needs executive sponsorship to champion its value and foster a mindset where data informs every decision. You might be thinking, my team is already overwhelmed with tools and data. But the key here is not more data, it's actionable data. By promoting cross-functional collaboration, Dynatrace breaks down silos, allowing development, operations, and business teams to speak the same language. This integration into existing workflows, not as another burden, but as an enabler, is how you ensure broad adoption and leverage Dynatrace as a core part of your team's foundational blueprint for understanding and mastering digital operations. Next, let's look at iterative rollout and technical deep dive. Trying to boil the ocean is a classic pitfall. Instead, start with high-impact applications, where Dynatrace can deliver immediate, visible wins. Define clear, measurable success metrics from the outset. I've seen teams gain incredible momentum by focusing on one critical microservice or user journey, proving Dynatrace's immediate value in reducing incident MTTR or improving conversion rates. This approach, leveraging Dynatrace's one-agent auto-discovery for seamless deployment, drastically reduces implementation friction. Integrating Dynatrace deeply into your CI/CD pipelines transforms observability from a reactive measure into a proactive, embedded quality gate. It's about building confidence and demonstrating tangible returns step by step. Finally, the ultimate strategy for success lies in proactive value realization and ROI measurement. It's not enough to just deploy Dynatrace. You need to prove its continuous value. Establish clear performance baselines and key performance indicators, like reducing user-facing errors by X% or speeding up deployment cycles by Y days. With Dynatrace's automated anomaly detection, you move from firefighting to strategic optimization. Regularly review the business impact, connecting technical performance directly to revenue, customer satisfaction, or operational efficiency. This continuous optimization of configurations and dashboard views ensures Dynatrace remains perfectly aligned with evolving business objectives. So with these strategies in mind, how do we really differentiate Dynatrace for IoT leaders? We'll dive into the top 5 strategic differentiators in our next scene. After outlining strategies for maximizing your success with Dynatrace, it's crucial to understand what truly sets it apart. As IT leaders, you're not just looking for another monitoring tool. You're seeking a strategic partner. Dynatrace's differentiation isn't about minor features. It's about a fundamentally different approach to observability that reshapes your operational blueprint. First, let's talk about its AI-powered core and end-to-end visibility. Dynatrace isn't just collecting data. Its patented Davis AI causation engine automatically analyzes billions of dependencies in real time. This means it doesn't just show you what is broken, but why, pinpointing the exact root cause across your entire tech stack, from user experience down to the code level, automatically. This holistic, high-fidelity view becomes the foundational blueprint for understanding and mastering your topic, providing clarity where traditional tools leave you with a patchwork of disparate alerts. You might be thinking, my current tools give me dashboards. But Dynatrace delivers actionable intelligence, reducing noise and drastically cutting down mean time to resolution, or MTTR. Moving beyond reactive fixes, Dynatrace offers unparalleled automated cloud intelligence. In real systems, this shows up when a new microservice is deployed, or an auto-scaling event occurs in a Kubernetes cluster. Dynatrace instantly discovers and instruments these components, mapping their dependencies without any manual configuration. This continuous, automatic context is vital in dynamic cloud environments, preventing blind spots before they even form. It directly correlates technical performance to real business outcomes, showing you the financial impact of, say, a slow checkout process, or an API error impacting a critical customer journey. This isn't just about system health, it's about business health. Finally, these differentiators collectively drive profound strategic business outcomes. With Dynatrace, IT leaders can move beyond firefighting to proactive innovation. The platform's ability to prevent issues, optimize cloud spend, and accelerate release cycles directly translates into measurable value. We're talking about significantly reduced operational costs, faster innovation velocity, and a higher quality digital experience for your end users. It empowers your teams to focus on strategic initiatives rather than endless debugging, ultimately transforming IAT from a cost center into a true value driver for the entire organizations. But how does this play out in specific, real-world scenarios? Let's dive into some practical applications next. Now that we've laid out Dynatrace's strategic differentiators, it's time to see them in action. How does this platform actually translate into solving the very real, often painful, business problems that IT leaders face daily? One of the biggest headaches in modern IT is the sheer complexity of fragmented visibility. Imagine trying to troubleshoot a critical application issue when your monitoring tools are siloed, giving you disparate pieces of data without a cohesive story. This leads to painfully slow mean time to resolution, or MTTR, which directly impacts user experience and, ultimately, revenue. Dynatrace tackles this head-on with automated, full-stack observability. It collects data from every layer, infrastructure, applications, user experience, and uses its AI, Davis, to pinpoint the root cause automatically. This dramatically cuts down troubleshooting time, transforming reactive firefighting into proactive problem-solving for your DevOps and SRE teams. Then there's the challenge of tying technical performance directly to business outcomes. You might be thinking, my dashboards show green, but customers are still complaining about slowness. This disconnect often means you're missing the crucial link between application health and user satisfaction or conversion rates. Dynatrace provides the foundational blueprint here, connecting every technical transaction to its business impact. It doesn't just tell you what is slow, it tells you who is affected and how much revenue is at risk. I've seen teams leverage Dynatrace's real user monitoring and business transaction tracing to identify a minor API latency that was causing a significant drop-off in shopping cart conversions, a problem that traditional, siloed monitoring would never have highlighted with such clarity. This empowers product owners and CXOs to make data-driven decisions that directly boost the bottom line and improve customer retention. Finally, let's talk about cloud economics. As cloud adoption scales, so do costs, often unexpectedly. Without precise visibility into resource consumption, IT leaders grapple with over-provisioning and inefficient spend. This isn't just about technical waste, it's a strategic drain on your budget. Dynatrace steps in with granular, AI-driven insights into cloud resource utilization. It identifies opportunities for right-sizing, recommends optimal scaling configurations, and even predicts future consumption patterns. This translates into significant, quantifiable cloud cost savings, ensuring your infrastructure spend is optimized and aligned with actual demand, impacting your FinOps and IT leadership directly. These aren't just technical fixes, they are strategic business enablers. Dynatrace transforms raw data into actionable intelligence, empowering IT leaders to not only react faster, but to innovate smarter. But even with such a powerful blueprint, there are common pitfalls to avoid. Next, we'll explore some of the misconceptions and risks that IT leaders often encounter when navigating Dynatrace. Dynatrace promises incredible power, acting as a foundational blueprint for understanding your complex digital ecosystem. But like any powerful tool, its true potential can be missed if you're not aware of the common pitfalls, misconceptions, and risks IT leaders often encounter. The first crucial step is recognizing that Dynatrace isn't just another monitoring solution, it's a strategic platform. One common misconception is treating Dynatrace as a simple APM tool, neglecting its end-to-end observability, AIOps, and security capabilities. Many teams struggle because they adopt it in silos, failing to integrate it into their broader digital transformation strategy. This often stems from an underestimation of the cultural shift required. It demands cross-functional collaboration, not just a tool deployment. If you just flip the switch, without clear objectives, you're building without a plan, leading to fragmented insights rather than a cohesive understanding of your blueprint. You might be thinking, it's so powerful it should just work and show us everything. But that mindset leads to significant risks. I've seen teams invest heavily in Dynatrace, only to drown in alert fatigue because they didn't fine-tune their baselines or define clear escalation paths, turning valuable signals into overwhelming noise. Another pitfall is scope creep, trying to monitor everything at once without focusing on critical business services first. This leads to data overload without actionable insights, and critically, a perceived lack of ROI, which makes justifying the platform's cost difficult. Remember, even the most perfect blueprint needs skilled architects and builders to execute it, or it remains just an idea on paper. To truly succeed and leverage Dynatrace as that foundational blueprint, IT leaders need a strategic, product owner mindset. Start with a phased rollout, targeting specific, high-impact use cases that align with business objectives. Prioritize cross-functional training to ensure everyone, from developers to operations to business analysts, understands how to extract value. Define actionable KPIs before implementation, then continuously optimize your Dynatrace configuration to ensure it's delivering against those metrics. It's about constant refinement, not a one-time setup, ensuring Dynatrace becomes an enabler for your digital transformation, not another operational burden. But how well have these concepts truly stuck? Let's find out. Alright, we've navigated through the complexities and understood Dynatrace as a foundational blueprint for effective digital transformation. It's time for a quick knowledge check to solidify that understanding. For IT leaders aiming to elevate their tech strategy in today's increasingly complex cloud environments, a clear grasp of core capabilities is essential. So here's your question. Which of the following best describes how Dynatrace primarily enables IT leaders to elevate tech strategy and drive digital transformation? Take a moment to consider the options before we reveal the answer. If you chose option C, by providing deep AI-driven observability across the entire stack, you've absolutely nailed it. In real systems, this shows up when modern cloud applications are a tangled web of microservices, serverless functions, and third-party APIs. Without deep, end-to-end visibility, it's nearly impossible to understand true performance, identify bottlenecks, or ensure a seamless user experience. Dynatrace's AI-driven approach cuts through that noise, automatically mapping dependencies and pinpointing root causes, not just symptoms. This capability transforms operational chaos into actionable insight, allowing IT leaders to make data-backed decisions that truly move the needle on digital transformation initiatives. It's not just about monitoring, it's about intelligent, proactive understanding that allows you to optimize and innovate with confidence, turning that foundational blueprint into a living, breathing, high-performing system. Next, let's explore how you can engage further with these strategic insights. We've journeyed through Dynatrace's capabilities, seeing how it provides a foundational blueprint for understanding and mastering the complexities of modern IoT. From taming cloud chaos to empowering your teams with deep, actionable insights, it's clear the platform offers a compelling vision for digital transformation. You might be thinking, this all sounds great, but how does this apply to my unique challenges, especially with existing investments or budget constraints? It's a common and valid concern, given the polarized discussions around value versus cost. Picture a moment where your organization is facing a critical outage, or perhaps struggling to meet an ambitious digital product launch deadline due to unforeseen performance issues. In real systems, this shows up when traditional monitoring tools simply can't keep pace with microservices architectures, leaving your teams blind to critical interdependencies and root causes. So, IT leaders, here's a strategic question for you. Considering the rapid evolution of cloud-native architectures and the pressures of digital transformation, what's the single most significant challenge your organization faces in achieving end-to-end observability, and how are you currently addressing it? We've explored the Dynatrace perspective, but your insights are invaluable. Thank you for watching and engaging with this deep dive. If this discussion resonated with you, please hit that like button. We'd love to hear your experiences and challenges, so drop a comment below. What's your biggest takeaway? Or what specific challenge are you grappling with right now? And for more strategic content like this, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. You can also find the full playbook and additional resources linked in the description below. Your journey to mastering tech strategy continues.